Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with prerequisites checked. Make sure your level and inventory match the requirements before you act. Once ready, go straight to the West dock and speak to the named NPC to start the quest chain, because triggering that scene registers the objective. You should have the 1/2 relic and 3 runes in inventory. If you do not, gather them now. After the cutscene, follow the waypoint marker. This advances the internal quest flag and opens the next set of tasks, so do not skip dialogue. You enter the core section and must move deliberately through flooded caverns. Use the lantern mechanic to reveal hidden platforms, because visibility gates progress secondary objectives. Next, approach the rune puzzle and align symbols in chronological order. Turn each rune once, then step off the pad to lock it, as this prevents resets. Once the Guardian wave spawns, prioritize area control and interrupts. Stun the caster first, then focus DPS on the big shielded foe. You're at the altar. Place the relic fragment to trigger the final sequence and watch the timer. This is a timed escape, so move with intention, use sprint and timed dodges, and avoid visible trap patterns. Once you reach the extraction point, interact with the salvage crate to receive the 2.5 sims reward. If something goes wrong, if the quest flag stalls or the final trigger fails, abandon the quest, re-enter the zone, and repeat the altar interaction to reset the instance and clear the bug.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.